Hello and welcome to this Redstore video where we're going to recover a Kubernetes cluster back to Azure Kubernetes services. So to start off, let's log into the Redstore app. And if we make our way over to the left hand side, I have an area called Kubernetes. And as you can see, I've already backed up one of my Kubernetes clusters, which is my AKS demo. And we can see the subscription, the resource group, the version number of the Kubernetes, and the location, when I last performed a backup, and the last node count. So before we kick off the restore, let's go into Azure Kubernetes services, choose my Kubernetes cluster, and I'm just going to go to services in Ingress so that I can launch my voting app. So this is the application that I've currently backed up. As you can see, the value at the moment is people like 10 cats versus 10 dogs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just change this option up to, let's do 20. Now the backup that I've already performed would have been when the values were set to 10 cats and 10 dogs. So I'm going to go straight to the Redstore app, choose the Kubernetes cluster that I've already backed up, and I'm going to click on the recover button. So by default it will have a unique name there, so I'm just going to overwrite that and call that test and click on the recover button. And now I will have to authenticate with Azure Kubernetes services to start the restore process. And as you can see, a Kubernetes cluster recovery has just started. So we'll have to wait a few minutes for that to complete. Fantastic. So now that the restore has completed, I can go straight back to Microsoft Azure Kubernetes services and refresh my page. The restore test cluster that has been recovered. So if I click on the recovery site, it should have 10 cats and 10 dogs. So I have successfully recovered this Azure Kubernetes cluster back to Azure Kubernetes services using Redstore. Thanks ever so much for watching.